Add Cheetos to boiling water and you'll be amazed by the result. In a skillet filled with very hot water, start by adding 40 grams of Cheetos cheese puffs. Once the snack starts to melt, mix it with the water until it thickens slightly. Once that happens, add 160 grams of instant noodles and let them soften. After the noodles soften, mix them with the Cheetos sauce. Take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart, especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. Add 2 packets of instant noodle seasoning and mix again to combine. Next, add 6 slices of cheddar cheese. Have you got That Recipe app? It's already available for download. With this app, you'll have access to all our recipes in the palm of your hands, and you'll get notified every time we upload a new recipe. In addition to all that, you'll also have access to an exclusive area in which you can bookmark your favorite recipes. Go to the App Store or Play Store now, type That Recipe, and download it. "150 grams of grated mozzarella cheese, 2 slices of American cheese cut into small cubes, and mix everything very well. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head to the comment section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye bye.